Frank Talks. So they are actually feeding them with cereal, ano pa, yung mga dinurog na mais, dinurog
Yes,
na
biscuits.
oo, mga gano'n. Mali pala yun.
Ayan yung ano, eh, parang issue dun na we're not saying na it's wrong,
Okay,
but we're just saying there's a better option.
very good.
Yun, kasi ang dami din nagsasabi, "Lumaki naman kaming tama, maayos naman kaming lumaki, pinakain kami ng ganito, wala naman nangyaring masama." Yes po, we're not saying na may mangyayaring masama, but
Mm,
we're saying that if not better, best pa nga, best option. Na
mm.
mas sana mas magiging healthy yung bata, mas sana naging healthy ka kung ganito yung ginawa sa'yo, 'di ba? So, kung tayo naman bilang nanay, bilang magulang, we only want what's best for our kids. So, kung
Very
mabibigay
true.
natin yung best option para sa kanya, why not? And that's my goal kay nanayhood, na ma-share sa iba pang mommies na may best option.
Frank Talks.